Maitho mothe marerekereirio kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta gwikira wira gukinya kwa marigitari aya kuma bururi wa Cuba ona thengia ya githagathago kia ica ikuhi kuria kiama kia marigitari guku bururi-ini kirareganite na ikinya riri. Thutha wa gukinya maramukirirwo ni mwandiki mutafariri ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Rashid Aman, murugamiriri munene wa gikiro kia urigitani Dagitari Jackson Kioko oro undu umwe na atongoria angi.
From here we are taking the Cuban doctors to the Kenya School of Government, where we will be taking them through a 2-week induction program.
Kuringana na ngirimiti gatagati ga Kenya na Cuba, marigitari aya megukorwo makiruta wira guku bururi-ini kwa ihinda ria miaka iri.
The front edge of healthcare, the primary healthcare, where they will interact very closely with the community. So we have identified that that's an area we really need to strengthen, because as we move towards UHC, universal health coverage, we want to ensure that people we are able to do a lot of preventive work.
Kenya ni itanyitwo gutwara marigitari 50 bururi-ini wa Cuba niguo mahote guthoma makiria maundu megie urigitani riri ari ikinya rimwe hari kugacirithia urigitani wa gikiro kuri a Kenya othe.
In addition to taking doctors to Cuba, we are also reprogramming our training program for those cadres of the health sector who work at that front line. These are the clinical officers and the nurses, and we are reprogramming so that we can train them in the kind of things we saw in Cuba.
When it comes to delivery of universal healthcare, you can have no better example than Cuba.
Thirikari cia kaunti nicio ibatie kurugamirira ngarama ya migendere ya marigitari aya oro undu umwe na nyumba kuria marikaraga hamwe na mangi maingi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.